Hi guys, and welcome back to another channel. Woo! Okay, so y'all know why I'm here. Came y'all give y'all a rundown on the good hair. And my good team that I've been working with is back again. I'm glad to see them, which is no other Xrsbeauty. And remind y'all, this box always looks like a Louis Vuitton. I thought it was, but you know. So yes, Xrsbeauty sent me another package. Thank you guys. I'm glad to see you guys again. Of course, you know it's the hair. But before we get into all that, let's get into the gifts, the surprises, which is the comb, a edge brush, elastic band, ooh, and a cap. And this time we have colorful flexurizers. Look, you get the word out. Okay, let's get into the hair. You know how we do this. Now let's get into the hair. So the hair is I don't know what this is. SKU. I don't know that. I'm not sure what that is. Is that Scalp? I think. Or so. Anywho, it's LFW 13. Okay. Length is 20 inches. Come on now. Density is 200. 200. Okay. And they also, before I show you out here, they also sent me some samples. Okay. So we have transparent lace. We have transparent lace. We have brown lace. We have a brown lace here. And we have new clear lace. And what I'm going to do is, y'all, I'm going to sample these and show y'all what they're looking like on my wrist. So this is pretty much what it's going to be given on my wrist, okay? We're going to just sample these. I'm going to spread that on my hand. Arm, sorry. This is my arm. Okay, so we have brown lace. We're going to try that. Spread it on there. We're going to give that a... All right. Okay, what we thinking? We have transparent lace. Okay, let's spray that on. All right, let's rub it in. Let's rub it on in. Let me now. I think I might like this one now. Transparent. Okay. That one just kind of melts in my skin, really. And we're gonna do no other new clear lace. Okay. Let's do the new clear lace. Well, wait a minute now, because this one might be the one. This might be the one. Okay. Okay. What y'all thinking? Okay, we got brown lace, transparent lace, new clear lace. And for me, it's definitely the new clear lace and the transparent lace. Get into it. No other than that, let's get into this wig. Let's get into this unit, okay? Because this is what we came to see. We came to see her. Okay, I love that the fact it has curls in it. Look at these curls, okay? So no other than that, let's go ahead and look into this. Oh, look into that lace. Look into that lace, okay? So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and you get an extra elastic band, okay? Look at that lace, though. Look at that. And also you get a strap, you know, band back here too as well. I think it's an elastic band too as well. You know, to strap it on so it can kind of juggle and fit on your head, whatever. So yeah, this is the inside of the unit because I want all y'all to see what I'm saying. Okay. And of course, you know, we gotta try it on. Let me clip it. Let me clip it. Let me adjust it so it can fit my head. And it's a perfect fit. Sorry. It's a perfect fit too. Okay, look at these curls. That is a perfect fit. And it's giving scalp already, and I ain't even glued it on. I ain't even fully glued it on, but it's giving scalp. Yeah, that's what you call a good unit. Yeah. I ain't even glued it on, and it's giving scalp. Look at that. Ain't even glued on, but it's giving scalp. But y'all know how this works. Y'all know how this go. Let me get my makeup on. And once I get my makeup on, we're going to get into this unit. You know how we work. So let's go and get into the unit. So I'll be back and get my makeup down, okay? I am back with my makeup, whatever. I gave it all natural, you know, look. Very natural, very simple, you know, whatever it can be. Let's go with the unit. Okay? I can't wait to actually put it on. Oh, I just love the way it fits. It fits very adjustable. So, y'all know we're going to get into all this. Like I said, it's giving scalp. And I ain't even fully glued it on. But let's go ahead and put this on. Let's come on. Let's go. Y'all, we back. Okay. You know what I'm saying? So I sit here, take my little glue, my little gel, whatever, and just slick my hair down. You know what I'm saying? Because it's got to be slickable down. It's got to be pressed down. Which I should just go ahead and cut it on off, but I'm not going to do that. But anywho, so I'll go ahead and take my Got to Base gel, and I go ahead and slick it on down, whatever, because you know what I'm saying, this is what's going to get the laces stick down. You know what I'm saying? I know some people like, wow, why you don't use glue? This works for me. Okay? Easy going off. So anywho, this is what I do. Then I get my spray. Then, you know, because the spray is really going to make it really more stick, a little more better. Because, you know what I'm saying, that's just what it does, whatever. It sticks, okay? The more stickable, the more wickable, okay? That's what we do. Then I go ahead and dry it off. Because, you know what I'm saying, you gotta damp it down, whatever, just so it can stick where you want to grow. And then you get your wig or whatever, and you just go ahead and lay it, stick it on where you want to put it at, okay? Because it's going to be getting very melted. It's going to melt down. Y'all watch what I say. It's going to melt down, okay? Anything is possible. Watch me melt this wig down like a bust down, okay? So, what I do is I just go ahead, you know what I'm saying, trying to see how it's looking, and see what it's giving. Do a turnaround, all right? Do a turnaround. Yeah, shake them curls, okay? Then, that's what it's giving, okay? Then I go ahead and press it on down. It's time to melt. That's why I'm melting it right here. So, we're melting it for real, okay? Then we go ahead and reveal that. See? What I'm telling you. Don't play with me. It's melted. Go ahead and cut me some slices up in that lace or whatever, because we're about to get in there and cut it on off, okay? Go ahead and cut it, okay? Cut all the excess off. Don't be afraid of it. Cut that excess off, okay? Because you're about to give them very transform, okay? Look at that, see? Look at that. It's giving lace already. It's giving scalp, okay? What a lace? Scalp, okay? You know what I'm saying? That's what it's giving right now, okay? And it's okay to cut some of the extra hair off. It ain't gonna hurt you. It ain't gonna kill you, okay? Go ahead and cut all that excess off, because we don't even need all that. We really, really don't need all that, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear. I'm gonna cut my ear. Oh my Lord, I ain't trying to cut my ear. But we go ahead and cut that on off, whatever. So then right here, I spray some more on, just to get it on the safe side, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to make sure it's literally melted down. Lay it down real good, because this is the last time we're gonna melt it, okay? So then right here, I just snatch it off. Boom! There go the wig. Melt it. Come for the girls. It's what giving, you already know. Yes, there we go. It was a nice little process. But you know what? One thing I'm going to say, and multiple things I'm going to say about this hair. This is fabulous. If you ain't wearing this, you are not fabulous. This hair is fabulous. What really made me more excited when I got this, I was like, okay, it's curls already in there, so I ain't got to do too much. So all I had to do was take a nice good comb and just, you know, finger them out. And baby, it's wavy. And I don't think these curls are going to be going away for no time soon. They are not going to be going anywhere. So what I did was, off camera, I did not show you guys, I did give some edges, you know. But other than that, wet lace, because it's melting out my scalp. What lace is this? Okay? What lace, honey? Where is the lace? Do you guys see the lace? It is melting. I come correct when I stand with this, okay? It is giving very body. These curls were not, I can pretty much take this off, shake it off, and put it on up, and then put it back on. These curls will still be here, okay? They are going nowhere. I just did a little oil, that's it, but they're in there, honey. You better check her out. You better know that she's real, okay? She is very much real, and she's giving you very body. So let me show you the bag. Let me show you all the bag. It is giving body, okay? It's giving very body. All that, okay? She's not to be played with, okay? When you move, she moving. Where? Left, right, right, left. She's moving. She's letting you know that she's here, and she's not going nowhere to be played with, okay? Yeah, so the best thing y'all can do is check out the information in the description bar, okay? Because that's where it's going to be if you really want to get this, okay? I know you need to get this, okay? Because this is where it's at for the summertime, okay? Or wintertime, any time of the day. You could do brunch, dinner, lunch, supper, and then some, if you know what I mean. Catch my drift. Okay? And I did like a nice old nasty beat. So, please tell them that I sent you, okay, y'all? Because this hair is really popping. It's really, really giving, you know? Like, hello? So, most and foremost, please check my people out, okay? They're not to be played with. I love you guys. Xrsbeauty is what it is. And it's what it's given. Okay? I got to go out and get me a drink now. See y'all later. See you on the next channel. Peace out.